the discovery of gibberellins. Here in Japan country, here some plants, rice plants. So they are showing the excessive growth. Excessive growth, but no fruiting, no flowering, no fruiting occurred. So here it is the rice plants are on rice plants. The rice plants are showing excessive growth, vegetative growth, but no flowering, no fruiting occurred. So it is due to the here one disease. The disease is due to one fungus. The fungus is Gibberella fusiculae. So it is the fungus. The fungus is due to this fungus. Here on this plant, in this plant, the vegetative growth, high vegetative growth occurred, but no flowering, no fruiting. Here, this from this Gibberella fusiculae, here Kurosawa scientist extracted one chemical, and this chemical is sprayed on the healthy plants, uninfected plants. Here the excessive growth is due to the fungus. It is identified. Thus that fungus is Gibberella fusiculae. But in uninfected plants, the extract from Gibberella fusiculae, it is sprayed. Here extract from the fungus. From this fungus, the extract is collected and that is sprayed on the healthy plants. So when it is sprayed, healthy plants are also affected by the disease. Healthy plants are also affected by the same disease. So later he concluded that the excessive growth is due to the fungus. Here this Gibberella fusiculae. The Gibberella fusiculae is it is releasing or it is producing some chemical component. That chemical component is responsible for the excessive growth. Here the rice plants are showing excessive growth due to this fungus. It is identified, and after the identification of this fungus, from this fungus some chemical or extract, it is isolated, and this extract is spread on the healthy plants. Healthy plants are also affected by the same disease. So later it was concluded that here the excessive growth, it is due to the chemical synthesized by this fungus. So that is the chemical is responsible for the excessive growth, that is named as gibberellin. That is about gibberellin's discovery.